First of all, I would like to thank you. Really big thanks to you, and I really appreciate how you structure everything clearly.
My main question is to know what feels lighter in your day.
Before, as you know, how to say, I had to jump between the Excel file, the Google Drive, the random note in my head. Sometimes I write down my task in my notebook, but if I forgot my notebook, I lost and I mess up everything in my mind again. And I'm stressed. I'm stressful.
Yeah.
So now with everything in one place in Notion, I don't worry about forget the follow up, missing the deadline. So yeah, my brain feel less clutter
Mm.
and less feel stress, and then I can focus actually.
And which features saved you the most time?
I think that's it. The calendar, the calendar between the CRM section and the application,
Yeah.
like different color, because the CRM is for the client come to me and just for asking, and for the applications for the client who already buy a service for me. So before I mess them together, and I take time to clarify. Okay, this one is just asking. I can let it later, but it really takes time. Now with the Notion in the calendar, I can see with different color, and I directly to say, okay, this one later. Now I need to focus on the application first, and then it actually helped me to move to the task. And when the plan is changed, it save my time more than before.
Now that you have more clarity over these different things, what is the next thing you will try first?
Next, I will try to batch the similar tasks together. For example, checking on what is going on the application in one time and log out the time weekly and follow up with the lead, the CIM. And I also feel more confident about the delegating small tasks. Example to delete my because now with the system is clear enough for someone else to help me, like just look in the notion and know what to do, because before everything in my head, so
Yeah.
it's hard for that. Yeah.